Hi foodies, today guess what? I'm making a village salad or a Greek salad for those of you that will understand the Greek. Okay, so here we go. Look at the fresh ingredients down here that I've got because it's all about fresh. The Greek salad is all about fresh and you can variate it any way. It's flexible. It's flexible to whatever you guys like, okay? The common Greek salad is feta cheese, it's cucumber, it's tomato, and some beautiful olives, okay? That's the common basic. But I take it to the next level because, remember who I am, Chef Pete. And I take it to the next level. So what I do is I start with some beautiful romaine lettuce, and I have tomato. Today I have some beautiful sweet yellow bell pepper, some cucumber, some beautiful I have some beautiful artichoke hearts. Artichokes are great, absolute scrubbers for your saturated fat. It helps scrub you out in those arteries, right? And some beautiful, look at this, beautiful, gentle roasted bell peppers I have. We're going to put those. And instead of just using the one type of olive, okay, I'm going to use a mix here. I have a mix of green and beautiful dark olives, okay? So there we have it. And then I'll top it off with I don't use bricks of cheese, I use crumbled feta cheese. And here's some crumbles you can see. I like crumbled. You can use a brick of feta cheese, whatever kind you like. And then to top it all off, because you got to top it off, right? You can make a lemon olive oil vinaigrette. You can make a vinaigrette with red, okay? Vinegar, red vinegar, all right? Or white vinegar, white vinegar. Whatever you like, red vinegar, white vinegar, even a different kind from Modena vinegar, okay? All right, so there we have it. Okay, so a simple drizzle of olive oil and a little oregano on top, and that will do the job. But you can use red, white, basmati, whatever you like.
Balsamic?
Balsamic, I mean, not basmati, that's rice, right? Okay, so there we go. Again, we have it. So give this all a try. I'm going to now start to build this beautiful. And if you like, and you want to have a little protein to go with all of your roughage, all of your fibers here, right? And vegetables, fresh vegetables. You can use some uncured ham, uncured turkey, whatever you like. Or if you like, buy Oscar Mayer turkey. Buy whatever brand you like. Go to the deli, have them slice it, and just slice yourself some things. So watch me as I put this all together. As I put it together, making the Greek village salad, Horiatiki salata. And that will be for today. So this is Pete wishing you all adieu. Okay, out.